Hello, and welcome to the U.S. Botanic Garden Orchid Greenhouses. Today I'd like to give you a brief overview of our Cymbidium house, where we grow several Cymbidium species as well as a large number of very showy hybrids. One of the things you may notice is that this is actually an outdoor growing space, covered with a plastic top. This allows temperatures to drop in this greenhouse to the mid-40s at night, and they're kept into about the 60s during the day. This is because most Cymbidiums require this cool resting period to initiate blooms. In the summer, this plastic covering is removed and replaced with a simple shade cloth. This allows the Cymbidiums to experience much higher temperatures up into the 80s during the summer season while getting a great deal of light. The result is Cymbidiums that produce wonderful flowers throughout much of the year. So thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoy it.